Good evening, guys. My name is Rohan Vasudev. This is session 2 in which I'm going to tell you about Unity Game Engine and how to install Unity. So what is Unity? Before we start, let's know. Unity is a cross-platform game engine which is used to create 2D, 3D, VR and AR games. Okay, so it's a cross-platform game engine. It supports multiple platforms such as Windows, Mac operating system, Android and iOS. Why Unity? Okay, now there are other platforms as well. There are other IDEs as well on which we can work on. But why Unity? Why Unity is preferred so much? Why a lot of developers are using Unity? Statistics say as of 2020, Unity made applications were used basically by 2 billion monthly active users with 1.5 million monthly creators. Okay, so 2 billion players were actually playing the game made using Unity. Also, there were 1.5 million monthly creators. So among all the creators working on different platforms to create games, 1.5 million monthly creators used Unity as their IDE, okay, as their game engine to create any kind of game. Whether it could be a 2D game, it could be a 3D game, it could be a VR game, it could be an AR game. Also, Unity engine comes with a combination of multiple assets. Now, there are some inbuilt assets. Also, you can download assets from the asset store. How do I install Unity? Where do I get this Unity from? Is it freely available? Or what should I do if I want to start with Unity? Okay, basically to start with Unity, you have to simply go to Unity download page. So there is a link which I am going to be dropping inside this presentation, inside this session. Okay, and you can go on this link and follow the procedure. Basically, this is the link for that. Okay, so it's https store.unity.com/download. So there is a button which is going to be download Unity Hub. Before downloading Unity Engine, you need to download Unity Hub. Click on download Unity Hub button. What is the next process? Okay, you open Unity Hub and then you find a tab inside the Unity Hub which is install tab. You click on that install, you choose install, and then once you click on the install tab, you will find an add button in the install section of the Unity Hub. Okay, click on the add button and you will see something like this. Okay, this is when you choose installs in Unity Hub. Okay, over here I have clicked on installs and then you can see on the extreme right there is a button which is an add button. You just need to click on that, and once you click on the add button, this is what is going to open. Okay, you just need to select the version, what version of Unity you want to download, and then you need to follow the steps to install Unity editor or Unity engine onto your laptop or your desktop. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for the session. Thank you so much.